Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rail Fanner here, and today is going to be a little bit different today. Around 4:30, around 4:30 today, 4:30 p.m. A train derailed on, I think it's the Sweetgrass sub, and what I'm gonna say is I can't believe this. I never saw a wreck like this before. I think back in 2012 or 2011, I'm not sure what year it was. A oil spill caused a locomotive to fall off the tracks near Giant Springs, which is near Great Falls. And as you can see, I counted the cars that derailed, and there's 5 cars that derailed. One particular car over there almost smacked into a building, which is shocking. And over there, that blue flashing light is a derailer over there. There's a derailer over there. I just can't believe this. And yeah, and as you can see, it's the tow trucks here to carry vehicles, and some vehicles have been totally crushed by the crash. Like this Toyota has been destroyed, damaged by it. If we go over here, there's vans, and also this actually happened by the local police station, by the police station, and that police car right there, number 2, is just destroyed. Well, it's squished, I should say. And as you can see right here, a tree has fallen because of a crash. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. Because of a tow truck. As you can see, they're trying to attempt to get car number 2 out of a wreck. And yeah, as you can see, there's 2 cars that are right by each other. I actually, on the way here, I found out the locomotives, and they are both BNSF SD40-2s, 1963 and 1846, which 1846 is a ex-Burlington unit. And as you can see, look at this. Wow. Wow. As you can see, the coupling, there's the coupling right there. That's the coupling still hooked up. Wow. This is... And over here, you're just... Look at all those wheels. And I'm gonna show you another good view of an accident, which is over there near the boxcar where I was. As you can see, like car number 2, this SUV and a van just got crushed by the collision. And what I'm about to show you is a pretty good how do you say it? It's a pretty good look at the wreck over here, which is actually a track. Like this way goes down to a town called Laurel, Montana, which is near Billings, Montana, which is the most populated city in Montana. And that track right there goes all the way to some granaries. And as you can see, over here is a derailer. I don't know why, but there's a derailer there. You gotta go all the way over here to see it. There, I think this is a good view right here. So this is what it looks like from here. As you can see, it's just crazy. And there are mosquitoes near me. I'm gonna get out of here. So yeah, I'm not gonna cross the track since that's dangerous. And as you can see, yeah. And I'm actually gonna go back over there, but I'm gonna pause the video so it'll be quicker. Alright, here's another view of a wreck. As you can see, this car right here is pushing into this car right here. The other half of the train is just down there. It's beyond that crossing over there. Led by 1963 and 1846. Again, there's some springs and a wheel. It's like, wow. And recently we've been getting quite a few wrecks, and especially a few days ago we had a wreck in Cutbank, Montana, where a part of a train derailed in Cutbank near a trestle. And yeah, it looked pretty devastating. And also a few months ago, I think in April, I'm not sure, a grain train up north derailed. It was another grain train. It derailed, and all there was spilt grain and twisted grain cars. So yeah. And I was thinking of going on to the other side, but I decided not to. And over there I could have, but I don't. It's illegal to cross tracks where there's no crossing. So anyway, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do whatever you want, really, and see you in the next video.